dancing to the beat. Juicy couture, wrapped up in gold. Baby, I'm the present that never gets old.
Merry Christmas!
It's Christmas, baby.
Okay, we're making cookies. Look at my cute little Christmas apron that I haven't worn yet. Okay, so let's see. So I'm making gluten-free maple shortbread cookies, and I'm pretty sure that they're cut-out cookies. So we need melted unsalted butter and 3 tablespoons of water. That's it in here. And then we need half of a cup. What's happening? You need to go check out yesterday's video. If you want a really good laugh, please make that video go viral. It's the best video you'll ever see on the internet. I'm telling you right now. Okay.
I found it. It is plugged in and charging.
Okay. Okay. This is definitely a cup, and I only need half a cup. So that's okay. We'll just pour half in here. Perfect. Okay, and then it says that we have to knead the dough for 2 minutes in the fridge to like cool, because you can't cut out cookies when it's warm. All right, y'all, here's the deal. We need to put flour on the table because then the dough won't stick. Okay.
And what are we doing with this?
I'll show. So you're gonna roll it like kind of like into a ball a little bit. And then, oh, I don't think. Dough, you roll it back up into a ball, and then you cut out more until like there's none left.
Okay.
So what we're gonna do. There we go. Okay. Whew. Whew, whew. Okay. Christmas time. It's so pretty. Is there what? Walking in a winter wonderland, sleigh bells ring. Are you listening? This is beautiful. Oh my goodness, this is amazing, guys. It's finally feeling like Christmas. Christmas. So beautiful. I'm so obsessed. Oh, the light's right on. Did not know that was on. Okay. Okay. This is so freaking cute. It is cold. Yeah, let's go get hot chocolate. Yeah. Holy man, it's freezing. Oh, I'm wearing shoes. Oh my goodness, my feet. Holy shit. Okay. Okay. Oh my god, it's freezing. And then I got us plates, so we can put like a cookie on our plate and then we can decorate it. And then we have these ones too. Fire.
Oh yeah, it's like yellow.
Okay. Where's the box that this came in? You're so cute.
Oh, thank you.
Oh my goodness.
Nice.
Here's our first cookie.
Oh, Christmas tree.
Here's Olaf in all of his glory. Are you gonna eat it? You're brave. I'm not eating mine. So we're opening the advent calendar, y'all. Day 22. And I got my little bear. And we got his little tiny onesie. Christmas onesie with candy cane hearts. Oh, they're candy cane hearts. That's so cute. He's got his outfit on now. Look how adorable he is. Well, it's time for day 22 of the Sephora advent calendar. Where's number 22? Over here. This one. Looks like I already tried to open it. Ugh, what is this? If it's another eye cream, I'm gonna lose it. Wild rose in oil. Ay! I just closed my finger in there. Hair oil. Oh, it smells kind of nice. It smells like an old person, actually. Anyways, not that exciting.